Hi and welcome to Bucket List Guides. This is the room tour of the Grand Hyatt in Macau. Now as you walk in on the left, you've got your little kitchenette which has got your teas and coffees and even has a Nespresso machine, which is pretty cool. It comes with a mini bar which is not particularly cheap, you can kind of see on the prices there, and drawers with cups and spirits and chocolate bars should you need to. There are little places downstairs where you can get it much cheaper though. You do have a mini fridge which is stocked with soft drinks and a couple of beers, and on the other side you've got cups for your cups of tea. It is a pretty big room, as you can get a quick glimpse of there, and you've also got a big closet space. Now there was only one robe there, but the other one was in the bathroom. It does have a safe with a 4-digit code. It has gas masks at the back there, which I didn't actually take a picture of, ironing board and all the other things you'd need for a short stay, including slippers. As you come into the main room, we have a socket by the side of the bed. There's only one though, which is a bit strange. It is an older hotel, so maybe that's the reason why. It is used by the alarm clock, but we did unplug that to use it to charge our phones. All the lights can be controlled from both sides of the bed, which is pretty cool, and the aircon is handy as well. Bed is comfy, bed is clean, and it was a welcome change from Hong Kong. There's a TV, you've got a TV in the room. We do a little bit more on that later, which is worth watching because it's very expensive to use. You also have a phone to call downstairs and a concierge, which is really helpful. Concierge was amazing for us. It also has a big sofa space with some artwork on the wall, and in the little brown cabinet there's also loads of connections if you're there on business, and it's right next to the bathroom, which looks like you have no privacy, but there's actually a blind you can pull down. Now the bathroom is really nice. The rain shower is really good. The only thing I'd say is that it leaves water on the floor after you've had it for quite a long time. There's the rain shower, so make sure that you don't leave any clothes on the floor because they will get wet. But if you do want a bath overlooking Macau and the MGM and the Londoner, then you can take one here. It comes with 2 sinks, and though you can't see it very good on this video, just here, I'll do a little arrow, there's a clock in the wall. No idea why. And then of course you have your toilet. All of it is well maintained and all of it's very clean. And there's the sofa again, and then we'll have a quick look at the view. You can just see it out the window there. And you've got a view of the Sheraton on the far left. The MGM is below, which we went in as well. And then there's the Londoner as well. Macau has definitely changed in the last few years that we've been there. It's definitely much bigger. It's definitely worth a couple of days to explore. Now I said I'd talk about the TV. The reason being is that they've got movies on the TV. Of course they've got free channels, but the movies, if I can get there, they were eye-wateringly expensive. That's 150 MOP, which is about 150 Hong Kong dollars or 20 US dollars to watch some new movies, admittedly, but some old. And the TV is not some 98-inch one, so it's quite surprising to see them so expensive. Now when we went, they were doing some renovation work, which was a surprise because we didn't know about it, and you can hear how noisy it was. If you're staying anytime a month after this video, you should be fine, and it's worth a stay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.